In this very special episode, we turn a real barn find into a barnstormer. So we'll get to the restoration really soon, but I'll give you a little bit of background information. This is a 1992 Basso Lotto. It's a Columbus SLX tubing frame. The real goal with this restoration was to capture the really unique moment in time that this came from. This is such an interesting time period, and though this looks like any other old steel road bike, it's really not. This conceptually is, the way that you ride it is exactly the same as a road bike you would go out and buy right now. You have clipless shoes, you have shifting in the levers, it rides the same. This is, for all intents and purposes, a modern road bike. And this would not be allowed in an Eroica classic road bike event purely because of its modern features. But yeah, I think it really deserved to be saved. So let's see what we started with, and you'll really appreciate how far it came. Yeah, because this sat in a garage for so many years, all the hardware is has got some corrosion on it. Sweet dura-ace post. I'm not a fan of the saddle. I might try to put a selle italia of some kind on there. Ugh. Gross. All right. Yeah, this is like gauze. That's what that is, as like bar end wrap. I have never seen that before. I don't really get what's up with these red cheater strips when they're there. You shouldn't need to use cheater strips at all, and having them being a different color makes so little sense that it must be an artistic choice. How? Remember, kids, everything is a hammer. I ain't asking anymore. Of course, this being held in the air. There's a microphone. Interesting. I don't know what it is about this stem, but I've tried to take it off before and it sticks so bad. The scary part, she's pulling the backer tape off. Oh, bellissimo. That looks good. is all stickered up now. I've never applied decals before, so I'm pretty happy with how they came out. Even though they're not, you know, totally perfect, but I think you'd have to point them out to most people. So ready to move on now that it's looking all spiffy. hope you enjoyed watching that restoration and watching this barn find bike turn into the absolute beauty that it is. But there's only so much time for restoration, you know. Real goal is to get out there.